Greetings from Delhi Medical Association and eMedi News. Welcome to the show Chat with Dr. KK. Today we are going to have a conversation with Dr. P. Gulati, who is a senior consultant urology, andrology and renal transplant services at Delhi-based Max Super Speciality Hospital, East Block. Welcome to our show.
Thank you, sir. Good morning.
My topic is very simple. Few take-home messages. In the year 2013, what is the current use of laser technology in the field of urology?
Well, this has to be seen that the current usage has come to a point where it is advanced from a laser which was sort of an enigma about 20 years ago when we first started using them, but to a point where it has come where it can be offered to all sections of the society. It is not that it is restricted now to a larger corporate based hospital, but it can be taken to any hospital anywhere in the city. It does not require a big infrastructure and it is safe and simple. Of course, that has been.
So that means a mobile service is available. You can
Yes.
talk to the company, they can bring the instrument, and your OT you can do it.
That can also happen, or nowadays the lasers are so versatile that you can just pack them in a briefcase and take it wherever the patient is.
Wherever the patient is.
Yes.
Now, when we talk about, say, TURP versus laser prostatectomy, what is the difference? That means that if a person can afford TURP, should be out?
No. Anybody should be able to get any modality which is medically right for them. Secondly, no procedure is ever out. Open surgery is also not out as of today. There are indications, well established indications, and you cannot do a TURP till you have done assisted or you are competent enough to do a open prostatectomy by whichever means that may be available. So when it comes to comparison, which is the gold standard, whatever a TURP can do, a laser TURP can do
What are the
just as well.
absolute
in laser.
indications for laser?
Absolute
If money is not a criteria.
Yes, money of course is never a criteria with us. We put the right advice across to the patient. Then comes his question of being able to afford a particular modality. Secondly, when it comes to using the lasers, absolutely for a particular patient, these are patients who are on prosthetic valves, who cannot be taken off their anticoagulants, and patients who are electrolyte imbalance patients where even a small amount of fluid absorption would tilt their sodium levels in a deleterious
So a
manner.
patient with heart failure, a patient with a chronic liver disease in
Yes.
decompensation, a patient with a CKD in decompensation,
Yes.
so a patient who is on atrial fibrillation on warfarin,
Warfarin,
a
yes.
patient with coronary artery disease on aspirin and clopidogrel. That means
Recent interventions also,
recent intervention.
where
That,
they cannot stop the
that
antiplatelets.
means in a laser removal of prostate, there is practically no bleeding.
Practically no bleeding.
Practically no bleeding.
Practically.
And then you should be able to do the surgery
Yes.
without stopping clopidogrel, without stopping the aspirin.
Yes.
And that's the take-home message.
Yes.
What you would have been if you would have not have been a doctor?
Well, 1 to 10 it would have been a urologist. After that it would have been a family physician, if not a super specialist. But
a
going
doctor
beyond a doctor, I think because I have had the opportunity during my school days to act and sing along with the Shah Rukh Khan and Palash Sen, so maybe I would have also gone into the
My,
same
my
school.
viewers don't agree with you at all. They say you are a very bad singer unless you demonstrate to us on the camera that you are a good singer. Let's have two lines. I'm just joking. Just let's have two lines to our viewers.
No, that would need a
Two lines. Doesn't matter. Just two lines without music.
पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बहार की बस एक झांक जुल्फ की बस एक निगाह प्यार की.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
That's really nice. And my last question is, what about your views about this so-called Delhi gang rape?
Well, absolutely heart-wrenching, and there can be no justification for such an act, and the justice should be fair, speedy, and it should be the same kind of justice. It is not that it is in a metropolitan city that this kind of justice should happen. It should happen and permeate to all levels of society and right up to our villages.
My last thing is that do you feel that victims, road traffic accident victims, should be given medical services within 5 minutes? If yes, should the police be trained, or with the police van, a paramedic should be posted?
Having a paramedic would be near ideal, if because utopian would be having a doctor, but till such time that it is not available, basic first aid measures and basic training should be imparted to all police personnel, so that no lives are lost during transit.
So the take-home message from Dr. Gulati is very clear, that in a patient who needs a prostate surgery, just because he has got a PCI done, a stent put or a bypass done in the last 1 month, should not be a contraindication. Go for laser, practically no bleeding. Thank you to be with us
Thank
on
you,
our
sir.
show. We'll come back with one more show. Till that, thank you. Goodbye.